Managing customer support across multiple platforms can feel chaotic, missed messages and lost opportunities. That's where Chariot Digital changes the game. A single platform to unify conversations, automate responses, and broadcast messages at scale. All powered by AI. Let's explore how Chariot Digital simplifies support and unlocks your team's full potential from your shared inbox dashboard. You can filter messages by channel and account. Add new WhatsApp subscribers. View follow-up lists. Enable dark mode, keeping everything organized at a glance. Agents can join live chats, send templates, rewrite messages with AI, record voice replies, all from one smart message box. Search chat, set follow-up reminders. Take quick actions like marking messages, resolving or blocking users. Assign agents. Add labels or custom fields. Leave notes, all in one place. With Chariot Digital, support is smarter, faster, and unified. But what makes Chariot Digital truly powerful is its super intelligent integrations. Connect through our AI training campaign engine, HTTP API, Shopify and WooCommerce, Google Sheets, autoresponders, and webhooks, email and SMS APIs, giving you every tool you need to engage customers everywhere on every channel. Train your chatbot to sound exactly how you want, customized prompts. Teach it using your content, URLs, files, Google Sheets, or even APIs. It's your chatbot your way, and when you're ready to reach out, Chariot Digital makes it effortless. Broadcast messages across WhatsApp, SMS, Facebook, and Telegram, all from one simple dashboard. Simply go to WhatsApp Broadcasting. Click Create. Name your campaign, filter by labels, country or custom fields. Define your bot flow. Click Save and launch. Not just that, you can track every campaign in detail. See statuses like sent, delivered, opened, unreached, and more. Need insights? Download the full report as a CSV. Every message, every metric, all monitored live from the show. Start your journey today and connect with customers on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and web chat, delivering smart, seamless engagement. Powered by Chariot Digital.